Is SoFi still the best bank account in 2024? Let's find out. SoFi has been my main bank account since 2019 when I switched over from Capital One 360. Since creating this YouTube channel, I've opened dozens of other checking and savings accounts to see if I can find a better bank for all of you. How does SoFi compare? Welcome bonus. SoFi has one of the highest welcome bonuses. If you create an account and set up direct deposit, you can earn $50 or $250 depending on your direct deposit amounts. Also, before I forget, if you're interested in setting up an account with SoFi or any other banks mentioned in this video, you'll find links in the description below. Interest rates. First, let's talk about their checking account. Most banks pay no interest on their checking account balances. There are a few like Capital One and Ally that pay 0.1%, but with SoFi, you can earn a 0.5% interest on your checking account balance. This may not sound like a lot, but you always have money in your checking account before you pay rent or a credit card bill. You have money sitting there before you transfer it to an investment account. Would you rather earn nothing or a 0.5% on that money? For this reason alone, I'd sign up for SoFi's checking account. The SoFi savings account. Since I started this channel in 2021, I've been publishing a best high yield savings account video, and SoFi has always been among the top banks paying the highest interest rate. Currently, if you have direct deposit set up, you can earn 4.6% APY on your savings account balance. Also, they recently added if you deposit $5,000 or more into your account each month, you can also earn this interest rate. This is great for a business owner like me who doesn't get paid through direct deposit. So up until recently, I wasn't receiving this rate on my SoFi checking account balance. If you want to see how SoFi's checking account compares to other top high yield savings accounts, you can watch our latest best high yield savings account video in the description below. Another great feature that most top high yield savings accounts are missing is the ability to save for individual goals. SoFi has you covered there with their vaults. You can set up vaults to save for your next vacation, holiday gifts, a down payment on a home, your emergency fund, or whatever you'd like to set money aside for. You can set up recurring deposits for each one of your goals so that over time you're automatically adding money to your vaults, getting closer to each one of your savings goals with every recurring deposit. Other benefits, no fees. You won't pay any monthly fees for not carrying a high enough balance throughout the month. There's no overdraft fees or any other unexpected fees. Speaking of overdrafting your account, if you have direct deposit set up, SoFi will let you overdraft your account by up to $50 and they'll let that transaction go through and you're not going to be charged anything for this. You'll just repay what is essentially a small interest-free loan when you deposit more money into your account. You have access to over 55,000 fee-free all-point ATMs to withdraw cash. Whenever I wanted to take out cash, I've been able to find multiple fee-free ATMs nearby. With direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days early. It's nice to have access to your hard-earned money a couple days earlier in case you need to make a payment or there's something you'd like to purchase. Earn up to 15% cash back with local deals. Right now I'm in Lansing, Michigan visiting my family. There aren't a ton of deals here right now, but there are a few restaurants and bars offering 4% cash back or 8% cash back from Marc Jacobs. If you're someone who makes a lot of purchases with a debit card, you can also turn on their roundup feature, so each time you make a purchase, it'll round it up to the nearest dollar and take that difference and add that to your savings account. A way to save money on autopilot. Something that I really like about SoFi is the fact you can basically manage all of your money with them. They have a budgeting app, you can invest money with SoFi Invest, you can earn 2% cash back with a SoFi credit card, you could refinance your student loans, get a mortgage or personal loan, as well as car, life, homeowners, or renters insurance, as well as new features they're rolling out all the time. Now let's talk about what I don't like about SoFi's checking and savings accounts. The need to have direct deposit set up or deposit $5,000 per month to earn 4.6% on your savings account balance. If you don't plan on setting up direct deposit with SoFi, I think it's still a great checking account, but I'd recommend watching my best high yield savings account video and finding another savings account where you can earn 4.6% or potentially higher without needing direct deposit. Savings account interest rate. I'm gonna list this as a con as well. It's close to the best high yield savings account rate, but as interest rates have risen, there has been a larger gap between the very top interest rate and even the good high yield savings account. Right now, there are several options that earn up to 5.28% on your savings account balance. If it were 0.25% or even 0.5% higher, I would say it isn't worth moving your savings from one bank to another, but if you can earn up to 0.68% more by transferring to another bank, it might be worth having a SoFi checking account and saving elsewhere. A fee to deposit cash into your account. So for many online banks, you can't deposit cash at all. So this isn't the worst option to get cash into your account, but if you want to deposit cash into your SoFi account, maybe you work at a restaurant and earn cash tips, you would only be able to deposit $500 at a time and be charged $495 for each deposit with a max deposit of $1,000 per day, so 2 transactions, and $5,000 per month. A $5 fee on $500 is 1%. I think it's ridiculous to have to pay a 1% fee to deposit cash into your account. If you think you'll be doing this frequently, what I would do is open a Capital One 360 checking account where you can deposit $999 fee-free up to 5 times per month at CVS or Walgreens. Now, if you want to see the best high yield savings accounts, the ones that are paying the highest interest right now, you should check out this video right here. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.